So yesterday we talked about we talked about all the different kinds of lines, and we gave some great examples. So today we're just going to review and talk about some symbols that you would use to record this information, because some of those words are very lengthy and we don't want to have to spell them, so they have symbols that we will use. So going through this page, it says name a set of parallel lines. So when I look at this, I can see that this line never touches this line. So one example would be if I had line AB is parallel with CJ, because they are never going to touch. Okay, and so this little symbol right here that looks like an 11 is your parallel symbol. Name two pair of perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines, and we have the lines there twice, so we need to take that off. Perpendicular lines are those lines that form the 90-degree angle. So instead of us writing the word perpendicular, we're going to use that upside down T figure. This stands for perpendicular. And so if I'm trying to find lines that create that 90-degree angle, I could say XA is going to intersect AB and form that 90-degree angle. And if I wanted to make another one, I could say AC is going to intersect and make perpendicular lines with CJ. Okay. Name three line segments. So line segments can be anywhere. They're just pieces of the line. So a line segment is part of a larger line. So we could just name some random ones. We could say BM is a line segment. We could say JC is a line segment. And then I could say XA is a line segment. So just three pieces around our plane here. And then we're talking about three rays. So the ray symbol is going to be, it looks like an arrow with an endpoint on the end, except I don't have to really do too much detail for that endpoint, but we're just giving that endpoint. And you want to start with the letter that you want to start with and what direction it's flowing. So if I said line ray BM, I would start with B and end with the letter M, because it's starting here and it's moving out in that direction. Another one could be CY, meaning I start at C and I'm going towards Y. And then another one that we could say would be AC. Lots of options here when you think about your rays. But these are your symbols that you need to be familiar with. So again, this is your parallel symbol. This is your perpendicular symbol, that upside down T. Naming line segments would just be your line above your letters. And then three rays would be that arrow in one direction. One more thing that you want to remember is that when we name lines, we only need two letters. So we can jot that down. Two letters will name a line. Okay?